Today we are going to learn basic AI by creating a simple chatbot in Python. So if I say hello, bot is saying hi. If I say how are you, bot is saying I'm fine. And if I say name, it is displaying us I am a simple chatbot. Now to create that chatbot, here we have created a file whose name is, it's a folder whose name is AI project. In this project, I'm creating one file and I'm naming it as chatbot.py. It's a Python file. So here is our file. And here we are taking a variable whose name is msg equals to, here I'm saying input. It will ask user to type something. Input within bracket, within double quotes, u. It's a kind of prompt. And we want that it should be in lower case to avoid case issues. So here it will be dot lower. So here we have taken our variable, this is input, this is prompt, and we are converting everything to lowercase. Now if user says, if within double quotes, hello in msg, which was our variable, if user has given hello in message, then print within double quotes bot will say hi. Elif if user gives how are you in message, then this bot will say within double quotes I am fine. Again Elif if user asks name in message, then print within double quotes bot will say I am a simple chatbot. Last condition we are giving, else if we give some different input, in that case bot will say I didn't get what you have said within double quotes. Save it, and from here we can run our Python program, run Python file. Now here it is asking us you. If I say hello, it will say hi. Here if I again run this and if I say how are you, it will say I'm good. If I again run this and if I ask name, it will say I'm a simple chatbot. And again when we'll run it, if I say different input, if I give different input by, it will say I didn't get what you have said.